You've heard of ChatGPT, but there's another AI quietly winning over power users. Claude 3 by Anthropic is fast, thoughtful, and built for deeper thinking. And if you're not using it yet, you're leaving speed, clarity, and insight on the table. Welcome back to AITHORITY, the channel where we break down AI tools that actually change how you work and think. Today, we're diving into Claude 3, the latest model from Anthropic, a serious competitor to ChatGPT that's gaining traction fast. Claude's strength? Structured thought. It's amazing at breaking down long texts, organizing ideas, and reasoning through complex problems. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude 3 to research faster, plan better, and think clearer in work, study, and creative projects. What makes Claude 3 different? Claude is built by Anthropic, a company laser-focused on safety and alignment. Their latest models, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus, are incredibly good at reading long documents, less prone to hallucinations, more transparent in their reasoning. Unlike ChatGPT, Claude often thinks out loud, showing its logic steps clearly. It's built for people who want answers with explanations, not just output. Claude can handle extremely long inputs. We're talking entire PDFs, policy docs, or multi-thousand-word articles. Try this prompt. Summarize this document into a 5-point executive briefing. Highlight pros, cons, and 3 key takeaways. Paste document. Ideal for market reports, government policy, academic research. Unlike other AIs, Claude doesn't just give a TLDR. It parses tone, relevance, and nuance, almost like a human analyst. Use Case 2. Strategic planning. Need help thinking through a complex plan? Claude thrives in ambiguity. Prompt. I want to launch a digital product targeting small business owners. Help me map out a strategy, audience pain points, core offer, marketing angle, launch sequence. What Claude returns? A 5-part framework, step-by-step launch phases. Gaps you didn't see. It's great for product strategy, project planning, curriculum or content mapping, and its tone. Less robotic, more collaborative. It feels like a co-creator. Use Case 3. Thinking through trade-offs, Claude doesn't just provide solutions. It's excellent at exploring multiple sides of a problem. Prompt. I'm deciding whether to freelance full-time or keep my 9-to-5. Give me a decision matrix with pros, cons, and a few what-if scenarios. Claude returns a breakdown that's structured, considerate, often more thoughtful than ChatGPT. This use case is perfect for career planning, business decisions, ethical or creative dilemmas. It's like talking to someone who listens before answering. Use Case 4. Writing better, with less polishing. Claude is also a low-key writing powerhouse. Try this. Rewrite this explanation to sound more persuasive, polished, and professional, without losing clarity. It's ideal for pitch decks, grant applications, internal memos. Claude is less flashy than ChatGPT, but often more precise, and its output rarely needs reworking. Use Case 5. Conversational journaling or self-reflection. One unexpected bonus of Claude 3. It's great for deep thinking. Try this journaling prompt. Help me reflect on this week. What worked? What drained me? What to change next week? Ask follow-ups. Claude's responses feel calmer, more human, and more nuanced than most AIs. It's an ideal tool for executive coaching, daily resets, quiet personal insight. A surprising number of users say Claude feels more like a guide than a gadget. How to access Claude? Claude 3 is available through Claude.ai, free plus paid tiers. Po.com, Opus model with subscription. API access via Anthropic Haiku equals fast and lightweight. Sonnet equals balanced. Opus equals premium. Max intelligence, similar to GPT-4 Turbo. If you're serious about testing Claude, the Opus plan is worth it, especially for research, writing, or strategic thinking. Claude 3 might be the most underrated AI in the game right now. It's not here to replace your thoughts, it's here to sharpen them. If you're serious about using AI to not just do work but think better, hit subscribe to AITHORITY. Drop a comment below. Have you used Claude yet? How does it compare to ChatGPT for you? And stay tuned. Tomorrow, we're reviewing Midjourney 6 and how it's changing the game for AI image generation.